Step 3. Pronunciation activity. Talking about my tourist destination. 1. What was the most expensive place you visited in your state? The most expensive place I have visited was called the Spigwet Hotel. It is a very luxurious and expensive place. 2. What was the cheapest place you visit in your city? The cheapest tips webs, the Obelix Park, and the most visited place by tourists. There is a variety of typical food such as marranitas, empanadas, lulada, and chontaduro. It's a very cheap place. 3. What is the most unknown food you have eaten and during a trip? Was a fruit cake. Chontaduro is a very aphrodisiac fruit, strange taste when you try it, but delicious. 4. What place have you missed to visit during your trip? The small square Jairo Valera and the Church of San Antonio. 5. What was the most incredible activity you or tried? What did you do? The most exciting thing I did was navigating in the Panzer River on a nice boat with good music, and the extreme activity was the skydiving. Thank you.